logarithmic inequality or exponential inequality. So in exact value, we need to solve the inequality. We start with the original inequality and then we split this power here. So we have 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of minus 2x. 2 times 3 is 6, and we can move this to the right. So basically we multiply both sides by 3 to the 2x. So we do this on both sides because 3 to the power of 2x, 3 to the power of minus 2x, they cancel out. Because we add the powers, we get 3 to the power of 0, which is 1. And here we can combine the bases. 5 times 3 to the power of 2, which is 45. And then we can do log base 45 both sides, because on the right log base 45 of 45 they cancel out. We have only this power x. So this is the final answer. Or we can use the change of base rule. We can use ln 6 over ln 45. So that's the final answer. Actually, that is the solution to the equation. So what we're doing here is actually inequality. So we are just finding the critical value of the inequality. So now we solve the inequality. We put the solution to the equation on the number line. So now we have two intervals to check. The answer can be smaller than the critical value or bigger than the critical value. So to choose which side or which interval we can use, we plug in some random number in each interval here. So for the left interval we can try minus 10. So we replace the x and this x here with minus 10. Use a calculator, what we get on the left and on the right. So if we use a calculator, we get something really big on the left and something really small on the right. And the inequality is supposed to be left side smaller than, so that's rejected. We cannot use the left interval. Now on the right side here, we can use something bigger than this. By the way, this value is 0 point something, so 10 is obviously bigger. We can plug in 10, use a calculator, we get something really small on the left, and on the right we get something really big, something really small, and therefore the inequality is satisfied here, which means we can use this interval on the right, and that means the final answer is the right interval, which is greater than ln 6 over ln 45. So that's the final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.